Hey AWESMR fans! If you haven't already heard, we have a brand new channel, AWESMR Studio, where we have the most awesome products and DIY videos. Be sure to go check it out and show us some love by subscribing and turning on those notifications. Thanks everyone, now let's jump to today's video.
Oh, hello. What are you doing?
Oh, I'm just making some dinner.
Ew, looks healthy and gross.
It's not gross, it's good for you.
It is good for you, 'cause none for me means more for you.
You know, I've been meaning to talk to you about your nutrition. All you ever want to eat is unhealthy food.
I'm a simple man.
Why don't you try eating some healthy foods today? If you do that for me, there may be some surprises in store for you.
Surprises, you say? Is this bribery?
Yep.
I like it. I'm in.
Great, here's a carrot. Carrots are great for your eyesight.
That wasn't bad. It's like rabbit food. But am I a rabbit?
Okay, let's try something both delicious and healthy. Here's a banana. These are full of potassium and they can help prevent cramping.
Well, I went from being a rabbit to a monkey. I guess that's an improvement.
Let's try this broccoli. Broccoli is full of potassium, vitamin A, and C. You can eat it raw, steamed, sautéed, baked.
I've had that one in Chinese food.
Yep, isn't it delicious? This next one's also found in a lot of Chinese food. This is called bok choy.
Bok choy? How about back up? I'm not eating that.
Come on, just try one piece.
Fine. You know what? That one actually wasn't too bad.
See? You want another one?
What? No.
Okay, moving on then. Here's a bell pepper. This will help boost your immune system so you don't get sick. It's also great for your skin because of all the vitamin E.
That was crunchy.
Here's a familiar one, a tomato. These even have more vitamin C than an orange.
That needed some pizza dough, pepperoni, and cheese.
Then it wouldn't be as healthy. Okay, here's another one that's found on pizza, a mushroom. These are high in protein to keep you full longer.
What a weird texture.
How about we give you something with a little more crunch then? Corn. Not many people know this, but sweet corn is loaded with 2 phytochemicals that promote healthy vision.
Yum! That needed some butter.
Let's try some peas next. Peas are a great source of vitamin B6, which gives you energy all day long.
Those were like little beans.
Let's kick it up a notch with some heat. Here's a chili. Chilies can help relieve headaches and muscle pains.
That wasn't hot. Wait a minute. Ah! I take it back. Water! Water!
I don't have water, but I do have a watermelon that's made up of over 90% water. Do you want it?
Anything! That's better. What's next?
Here's a kiwi. Kiwis are full of antioxidants and a great source of fiber.
Ooh, I like that one. A little sour.
Next is an apricot. Apricots are also a great source of antioxidants. They're delicious and good for your skin and your heart.
You didn't want to take the seed out first?
Whoops, sorry.
What else you got?
This is the last one. It's a peach. Peaches have treasured minerals like calcium, potassium, magnesium, and iron.
That may have been my favorite.
See, healthy food can be delicious too.
Yeah. I held up my part. Where are my surprises?
Here you go.
Okay, that was a good deal. Let me know the next time you want me to eat healthy. I'm in. Can you help me open these?
Sure, the first one is a DreamWorks Trolls blind bag. This is from Series 6. This paper has all of the options on it. We got Biggie. He's the largest member of the snack pack and has the biggest heart too. You can often find him with his pet Mr. Dinkles. He also often bursts into happy tears. The next one is a PJ Masks Collectible figure. This crime-fighting trio keeps the city safe all night long. The back has all the character options. We got Catboy. Looks like he's about to leap into the air. He's very fast and agile, and he can hear things from an incredible distance with his cat ears. He's a great leader and a great friend too. The last toy is from the Littlest Pet Shop. We get a cute little animal that we can wear like a ring. Here's all the options. Let's put it together. Oh, look at how cute this pink octopus is. Let's put the bowl over her now. How adorable is this? I love it. Well, everyone, don't forget to eat your fruits and vegetables. And this was a lot of fun. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up if you did, and please subscribe to watch more. Thanks!